First, shape and pattern. Imitating fish scales, integrating natural elements, it is full of vitality. The irregular arrangement makes it more dynamic than regular tiles, making the space lively and not monotonous. Second, color matching. The classic gray and white color scheme is suitable for various home decorations, showing a low-key luxury. The surface PU glue immediately enhances the three-dimensional sense and visual appeal. Third, proportion and size. The size of the fish scale mermaid gel tile is just right, and it can be cut at will, greatly improving the adaptability to the wall space. Send us a private message to get free samples of fish scale peel and stick backsplash stickers.